In this video, I'm showing how the small tasks, big reward system works on BingX. The idea is simple. You complete easy daily tasks and earn rewards, including weekly bonuses worth around $100 to $120. First, you sign up on BingX, complete KYC, and go to the Reward Hub. Inside, you'll find daily check-ins and tasks that give you vouchers like $5, $10, and even $15. On the 7th day, you can get a bigger reward, sometimes $50 to $80 or more. To unlock bigger vouchers, you need to complete a small futures trading volume target, like $800. You don't need huge money. Just small trades with leverage can complete the requirement. Yes, trading fees apply, but in return, you unlock valuable vouchers. Once completed, your rewards get unlocked in about 30 minutes and you can use them for trading. So, basically, you complete simple tasks, unlock vouchers, and use them in trading to earn extra profit. Your final income depends on your trading skills. That's it. Small tasks, big reward.